What are the 10 deadly foods that can kill your parrot? Let's begin. Number 1, tomatoes. They're acidic fruit. Number 2, dairy products. Parrots are lactose intolerant. Number 3, fruit seeds. Apple seed, peach pits, cherry pits, etc. all contain cyanide. Number 4, peanuts. Only give peanuts to a parrot in moderate amounts. Number 5, uncooked beans. They contain poison. Number 6, anything from the onion family. Never give your parrot onions, garlic, shallots, and anything from the onion family. Number 7, human foods like pizza, burger, chicken all contain salt, fats, and sugars. Number 8, lemon and lime. They are acidic fruits. Number 9, chocolate. No need for explanations here. And finally, avocado. Avocados are like bird poison. Now I wonder,